Good day everyone. In this video, we're going to discuss about converting decimal into binary number and vice versa. This time, let us start with a single digit number. Let us have 9 as our first example. So the first step that you have to do is to divide this number by 2. So we have 9 divided by 2. The answer is 4, remainder 1. And then we have to divide 4 again by 2. So you have here 2. And the remainder is 0. Also, if we're going to divide 2 by 2, the answer is 1. And our remainder is 0. So with that, we have now the equivalent of our decimal number, which is 9, into its form binary, which is 9 is equal to 1, 0, 0, 1. So all you have to do is to remember the placement of each numbers. So we're going to start at the bottom, then followed by this one, the other one, and this one. On the other hand, let us now check or convert 1, 0, 0, 1 into decimal. So this 1001 is a binary number. So what you're going to do is to have these numbers. So we have 1, 0, 0, 1 as a representation of the powers of 2. So we have here 2 to the 0, 2 to the first power, 2 to the second power, and 2 to the third power. So with that, we could now have those values represented by 1. So we have 2 to the third plus 2 to the 0. And that is equal to 8 plus 2 to the 0 is 1. The answer is 9. Therefore, 1001 is equivalent to 9 in decimal. So now let's have our second example. Let us move on to two-digit numbers. Let's try 27. So let us divide 27 by 2. So we have here 27 divided by 2 is 13. Remainder 1. Then divided by 2, we have 6. Remainder 1. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Remainder 0. And then divided by 2, we have 1. Remainder 1. So we have 27 is equal to 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Let us have converting binary into decimal, let us have 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. As what I have said a while ago, we have to represent these numbers as powers of 2. So 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. We have here 2 to the 0, 2 to the first power, 2 square, 2 cube, and 2 to the fourth. So 2 to the fourth power is 16 plus 2 to the third power is 8. We have 0 here, so we're not going to include that. 2 to the first is simply 2, and then 2 raised to 0 is 1. So let us check if this is equal to 27. 16 plus 8 is 24, plus 2 that is 26, plus 1 that is 27. So we have here 1, 1, 0, 1, 1 is equal to 27. And now let's move on to our last example, which is a 3-digit number. Let us try 150. So let us divide 150 by 2. 150 divided by 2 is 75. Remainder 0. Then 75 divided by 2, we have 37. Remainder 1. 37 divided by 2, we have 18. Remainder 1. 18 divided by 2, we have 9. Remainder 0. And then 9 divided by 2 is 4. Remainder 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Remainder 0. And 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. Remainder 0. So, the equivalent of 150 is 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0 in binary. So let us do the converting of binary number into decimal on the other hand. So we have here 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0 as our binary number. So we have now 2 to the 0, 2 to the 1, or 2 to the first power, 2 to the second, 2 to the third, 2 to the fourth, 2 to the fifth, 2 to the sixth, and 2 to the seventh power. So, okay. So let us determine those with ones. So we have here 2 to the 7 plus, we have here 2 to the fourth, and then 2 to the second power, or 2 square, and then 2 to the first, or 2. So 2 to the 7 power is 2 times 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, and 128. So that's 128. Then 2 to the fourth power is 16. Then 2 square is 4. And then 2 to the first power is 2. So let's try 128 plus 16, that is 144, plus 4, 148, plus 2, we have 150. Therefore, 100100110 is equal to 150. So I do hope that you have learned from this video. Thank you and God bless everyone.